Step 1, it says turn the knob first to separate the cell phone clip. It's talking about this product here. Step 2, loosen the snaps on both sides of the anti-shake cord. The snaps on the anti-shake cord. Okay, so it's this here. So we loosen this, loosen that. Let's put everything to the side for right now. Alright, tell us to loosen this too. Alright, so it tells us to take this here and wrap it right in here, just like that. And we're doing the same thing on the other side. Alright, this is where we at so far. Now, step 3, which we just did here, which is attach the two claps to each side of the cell phone clip. All right. Step 4, place in the headset and secure it with the knob. I would have to use the phone to put on here, but I'm not able to use the phone because I'm recording on the phone right now. So we're just gonna pretend like the phone is on there. So we're gonna secure it. And then step 5 is asking us to take this rubber thing here, and we're gonna be placing it right behind here, just like that. All right. Okay. But since I want my phone to be horizontal, I'm going to have the phone facing like this. So I'm going to keep it like this for right now. Okay. And good. Perfect. So if I wanted to have it vertical, it will be up like this. This rubber thing would be hooking up on my phone, so the phone will be in here, and we would have this thing kind of looping over the corners of the phone to keep it stable, and the rubber is going to be holding it in place. And we're also going to have these neck straps from it bouncing with the mount on the body strap. So have it like that. Next, it's telling us to go ahead and tighten the back, install the other half of the phone holder back in place. So we're gonna basically take this, put this, let me go ahead and do it like this. And then we're gonna screw that back in. All right, so far so good. This is what we're doing. All right, All right, now let's put this to the side because part 2 is dealing with the body straps. All right, so part 2, it says insert the J base into the panel. And the J base is this. It's shaped like a J. It's the only one of the things that's shaped like a J in here, so it's the J base. And it's saying to insert the J base into the panel. This is the panel right here. Make sure I'm doing it right. Okay, so this is going, okay, so you want to, I'm seeing that they have these two things in the bottom while this is going in like this. Let's just make sure they go, oh, they're going from here. All right. Oh, there we go. And it snaps right in place. I just pushed it in going this way. Snap right in place. All right, step 8. It says attach the other side of the short link to the J base. And the short link would be this, according to the manual. And I'm going to also be using this here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this part here and we're going to be putting it in between. Are we doing it upside down? Yep, we're doing it like this. So you can see it's like here, taking this thing here, and we're going to be putting it in between here, just like that. Just like that. All right. This facing up. Okay, not down, up. So it has a screw in the bottom. Keep in mind these two here, putting this in here, fitting it. All right, let me just make sure it's all lined up in here. Perfect. And then we're going to use the screw and turn it in. And it's in. Perfect. All right. All right. Now we have installation of cell phone clip. So now we're taking this here and we're going to install it here. So on the bottom is a screw in area here, while we have this in here. Let's go ahead and screw that in. Yep. Make sure this is facing the front. Where is it? Ah, there it goes. All right. Let's tighten. So kind of loosen it up a little bit so I could line it up right. All right. I almost forgot about these other other things that came in the package. So here, all these things here, it is for if you want to record your while using your phone to the body mount while riding a bike. This is what you would do here, additional to what I have shown you already. So you would take this out of the this thing out of the bag, and then you will screw it in with this screw right into there, right? And you would attach it to the body. I mean, you attach this first to the J hook thing here. So you know how we had put the J hook just like it showed on here, where we took the J hook and we hooked it first, and then after screw it in, we had added the camera body, the camera holder. We wouldn't do the cell phone clip. We wouldn't put in the cell phone clip first. We would take this that is screwed in with the screw, just like the picture shows, and then you would attach it first to the J. Once you attach it to the J, then you would go ahead and mount the phone to the remaining piece right up on here. Once that's done, you would have a longer, and it will be extended, right? It extended your phone from your body, and also you will be able to adjust it in a way that as you slanting forward on your bike, so your camera don't be looking down towards the floor or more of your handle, you could adjust it upwards so that you could see on what's in front of you while riding your bike. So that is a pretty cool addition to this. Just in case you're riding on the bike, you will still be able to see in front of you rather seeing downwards where your chest is facing.